How to activate Facebook account after deactivating. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will simply guide you on how you can activate your Facebook account after you have deactivated it. So you simply want to make sure to watch this video till the end. Now let's say that you happen to deactivate your Facebook account before and now you simply want to reactivate and then reuse it again because you have changed your mind. Well, you could absolutely do that. Now the thing is that if you want to reactivate your account, all you need to do is just try to log into that specific account. Yes, you heard it right. You don't need to do any other thing, those extra steps. Just try to log into that account. If it asks you for a confirmation that do you want to reactivate it, you can select yes, or if not, then you can simply go ahead and then try to enter your credentials. In this case, once you enter your email and password, you can see you will be successfully logged into the account that you have deactivated before, and you don't really need to do anything. And that's all it takes to activate your Facebook account after deactivating it. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.